My name is Francesco Fraioli. I am a radiologist and a nuclear medicine physician, and I'm working at UCL as a senior lecturer. Inflammation is a normal process of the body in response to harmful stimuli. However, in particular in chronic inflammation, there is an abnormal response with overexpression of inflammatory cells. Imaging plays an important role in the evaluation of the disease because it can allow the identification of and localization of the disease, the sources, and particular it is important to combine different imaging modalities to have information regarding treatment response or progression to different drugs. Let me now introduce Professor Brian Hutton, who will talk about the technical aspect of the project.
I'm Brian Hutton. I'm the Professor of Medical Physics at the Institute of Nuclear Medicine. Imaging in nuclear medicine involves the administration of a radioactive compound which concentrates in a particular part of the body, in this case targeting, for example, inflammation. In particular, we use positron emission tomography in combination with computerized tomography. These two techniques allow us to look at the function of the body as well as the anatomy in a single sitting. One particular area of interest is in imaging the lung, where there are particular problems associated with quantification of the data that we acquire. As we know that as a patient breathes, the lungs can move, and we are therefore looking at a moving target. It's therefore quite challenging to be able to align both the PET and the CT data so as to be able to extract meaningful information. There are several tracers that we can use in imaging inflammation, and we often acquire dynamic information from which we can extract kinetic parameters that are more relevant to monitoring the disease process and its treatment. Here at UCL, we have state-of-the-art imaging equipment. We also have a wealth of expertise, both in nuclear medicine and in the complementary imaging areas, which really allows us to really develop some very interesting and exciting projects.